Yeah. Shirt.
How you gonna be a monkey?
I don't know how we're gonna get her in a car seat.
Yeah.
Let's take it off.
Probably no bigger than that coat she wears.
I know, we can't get her in the coat. We need to adjust that for the winter. You can wear a pumpkin shirt too. Pumpkin shirt. Leave the bow on. Okay, let's put our monkey pants on. Come on, yay. Come this way first.
Are you gonna be a monkey?
Good girl. Someone's got monkey feet. Someone's got monkey feet.
You look like Curious George. What's the sound you make?
The monkey.
Katie.
Can you carry your pumpkin?
Katie, where's your nana? Where's your nana? There it is.
Nana.
You got a nana, don't you? Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. You're a monkey. Should we go see Grandma and Grandpa?
Woo, woo, ha, ha. Woo, woo.